Thank you so much for joining this course. You've just taken the first step toward building something that can truly change your life. And trust me, you will never regret this decision. Let me take you back to where my journey started. I had no expensive setup, no professional camera, no big team, and honestly, no one to guide me. But I had one thing: belief. And one small character idea in my heart. A curly-haired toddler named Goldie. With just my phone and creativity, I started creating one story every single day. No fancy tools, just emotions, consistency, and patience. Some days my videos barely got views. Some days nobody reacted at all. There were moments when I wanted to stop everything. But I didn't quit. I kept creating, kept learning, and kept believing in Goldie. And then one day, everything changed. One video started going viral, then another, and another. Suddenly, people around the world started loving Goldie. Success always leaves clues. You can see it yourself today. Fan pages started appearing, reposts everywhere, even fake accounts using Goldie's name. That's when I realized this little idea had become something much bigger. This course is not just another tutorial. It's a complete blueprint. A step-by-step system showing you how to go from zero to building a successful AI content brand. Every lesson, every mistake, every trick, every strategy I learned, I'm sharing all of it with you here. No secrets hidden. And here's the truth. If you stay focused for just 3 months, your life can start changing too. If it takes 6 months, that's okay. Just don't stop halfway. Because consistency will always beat talent when talent gives up. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need perfect conditions. All you need is one powerful idea and the courage to show up every single day. Goldie is proof of that. This is Module 0, the journey of Goldie, from a simple idea to a growing global audience. Now it's your turn to build your story. Let's begin.